Hello everyone. So in this class we will discuss about some common mistakes we do while doing structural analysis. So while we do structural analysis, our focus is on the load we put and the supports we have, the boundary conditions, also the detailing of the softwares we took. Those are the most important thing while we do structural analysis. So if we have any mistake in any point, that will be a change of analysis. So first thing in your structural analysis or the mistakes of analysis is your conceptual and modeling mistake. While we do the model, first is your support. So in case of supports, if we put or a wrong support, in case of if we put a pin joint or hinge joint in case of roller joint, that will be a mistake. In case of improper boundary conditions, we need to focus on boundary conditions. Like first thing in boundary condition is your degree of freedom. So for different type of degree of freedom, we have 2D and 3D structures. In 2D, there will be different degree of freedom, and in 3D, there will be different degree of freedom. So if in that case there will be any wrong or any if we took any wrong thing, then that will be a mistake. Next is your load assumptions. While we assume the load, so that can be your point load, your UDL, or it can be your UVL, or any kind of load. But if we forget about the actual loading conditions like live load, dead load, seismic load, wind load, that will be a mistake. Another thing is your self weight will be neglected. If in case self weight is neglected, that will be your biggest mistake, or we can overlook. If we overlook the structure while we analyze and the self weight of the structure, that will be the mistake. Simplification. While we modeling, we do modeling, we simplify structure. In case we overlook a 3D structure to 2D structure, that will be your mistake. Next is your calculation errors. In case of calculation, first thing in our mind is your unit conversion. While we do the unit conversion, if any mixing units, okay, if we mix any unit, that will be kilonewton to newton, or it can be any unit. If we change feet to inch, so that will be the mistake. Incorrect moment or shear calculations. In case of moment shear calculation at point of joints, we need to focus on the equation of equilibrium. So in case of equation of equilibrium, from that we find out the structure is a determinate or indeterminate one. So if that will be wrong, the whole structure will be wrong. Then method of application. In case of indeterminate structure, there will be different methods we apply to analyze the structure. So that can be your stiffness structure or moment, slope deflection structure, those things. Next is your second order effects. If you neglect the P delta effect in slender structure, that will be the mistake. And software related errors. If we blindly trust the software or we did not put the correct inputs in case of softwares, so first thing we need to focus in software is your input and the output. So if we did not follow the inputs, so there the software can't give us the proper output. So that is your black box mentality. We need to focus on input and output of the given data. Next is your element type selection. So elements are like, in case of beam, if we choose a frame, or in case of truss, you choose a beam. So that is your elements. If you choose the wrong element, the whole analysis will be wrong. Another one is your mesh errors. While we do mesh creations in FEM, like finite element method, the mesh creation, if the quality of mesh is poor, there will be error. Material properties, while we do the software analysis, so we need to focus on the material properties. The two material properties are most important in case of software analysis. That is your modulus of elasticity and another is your modulus of rigidity. So these are the material properties we need to focus. If we change these properties, that will be a mistake. Next is your interpretation mistakes. So if we misread the deflection or stress output, the structure will be changed. So that should not be done. Overlooking critical load combinations. In case of putting loads, if we overlook the critical load conditions, or in case of the place where critical load will be reaches, so if we forgot about the critical load, that is your mistake. Next is your ignoring stability and buckling. In case of lung column, buckling occurs generally. So in case of long column, if the structure buckles, we need to focus on the buckling cases of long column cases. Next is your forgetting factor of safety. While you do analyze a structure, we need to remember about factor of safety. So we need to take the factor of safety properly. So what are the tips to do not mistake in case of analyzing a structure? The first thing is proper or overlook each and every step properly, or else there will be a mistake. Or we need to analyze systematically. First we need to create the model, then we need to put the supports, then loading, last detailing. So we need to keep that in mind.